Hello, so today I'll be showing you how to run C++ codes on VS Code. So first open your favorite browser. We will be installing VS Code first. So type VS Code, download. Then click the first link and download this version for Windows. So installation will start automatically. Wait for it to finish. So after the installation has finished, go to your file explorer and go to the downloads folder. Double click on the VS Code setup. Then it will ask for the license agreement. You can accept that and you can click next here. It would be next here and click create a desktop icon, add open with VS Code. You can tick all of this. Then you can just click install. Wait for it to complete. Then we will move forward. So after installing, it will show you the screen. So click finish and it will open the VS Code tab. So that's how we will install VS Code for Windows. So before installing the compiler, we will just install some extensions here. Go to the extension bar and search for C++. Click on install here and click on install here and wait for it to finish. To compile a C++ code, we need a compiler. So go to Chrome and search for WinLibs. Now click the first link. So we will be downloading MingGW64. It's an open source compiler for C++. So scroll down and you will see the UCRT runtime. That's the one you want to download, and you want to download the POSIX threads, not the MCF thread. So based on a system architecture, it would be 64 bits, Win64. So the basic PCs available today are 64-bit ones. So click on zip archive here and it will start the installation. So after the installation is finished, go to your file explorer and go to the downloads folder. Then right click on the WinLibs folder and then click extract files and click OK here. So it will extract your files in a download folder itself. So after the extraction is finished, go to this folder and you will find a file called MingGW64. Right click on it and press cut. Then go to your C drive and just paste it there. So after it has been pasted, click on the MingGW64 folder, then go to the bin folder and then click here and then just copy the path here. So do Ctrl C, then on the search bar search environment variable, so ENVIR. So click for your account, then double click on path here, then click new here and just paste the path here and click OK and OK. So we are doing this so that you can access the G++ compiler from anywhere in your system. So now we have installed VS Code and we have installed the C++ compiler. So we will just write a code to test it out. So I'm just going to create a new folder, name it test. Then just open VS Code, go to file and click open folder and open whatever folder you want. I'm going to open the test. Then I'm going to create a new file called test.cpp. You can name it whatever you want. It's important that you use the .cpp extension. So it will be your name .cpp. So I'm just going to write a hello world program to demonstrate. Remember to save the file. Then you will see this button here, click on it. So it's important that you click the g++.exe build because that's the one that will compile your code. If you click the gcc.exe, it will show an error. So be careful what you are choosing, because G++ is used for C++ code compiling, and GCC is used for C code compiling. So I'm just going to click G++. It will open your terminal here. Just wait for a few seconds. So here, open terminal, and you will see the output here. So that's about it. Thank you.